Sharad Pawar's comment about his grandson demanding CBI probe in Sushant Singh Rajput case has erupted a controversy because yesterday Sharad Pawar reacted to this particular issue about the Sushant Singh Rajput case, and when journalists asked him that your grandson and son of Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, Parth Pawar had asked for the CBI inquiry into this. He had, a few weeks back, he had given a letter to Honorable Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh. So reacting to this particular bit, Sharad Pawar clearly said that I don't give much importance to this particular letter submitted by Parth because he is immature, and I don't give that importance to his letter. So this particular bit of Sharad Pawar, this particular reaction of Sharad Pawar, which was the first reaction, has basically erupted a controversy because it shows that how angry is Sharad Pawar on Parth Pawar. If I have to give you a background about this particular issue, Parth Pawar is a grandson of Sharad Pawar. He had contested, and son of Ajit Pawar. He had contested last Lok Sabha election from the Mawal constituency. And that time also we have seen that there was a kind of a unhappiness which we saw while giving the ticket, because Sharad Pawar wanted to contest that particular Lok Sabha election, but in the family, more people should not get ticket because it's a political party, and other workers of the party may feel that it's a wrong. That's why Sharad Pawar had to back out. He didn't contest the last Lok Sabha election because from one family, if he would have contested the Lok Sabha election, then one family, there were 4 people, Supriya Sule, Sharad Pawar and Parth Pawar. They could have got a ticket, and again another discussion could have happened. But certainly this particular reaction of Sharad Pawar had not gone well within the Pawar family. Pawar family is also quite disturbed. Right now I'm standing outside Ajit Pawar's house, and you can see that this is a car of Parth Pawar. So and this is the building where Ajit Pawar stays. You can see. This is a particular building where Ajit Pawar stays. So when what happened last evening when Sharad Pawar made that comment, there was a kind of a meeting which happened at Sharad Pawar's residence at Silver Oak, but officially the NCP has declined that this meeting has nothing to do with the Parth Pawar incident. But yes, it was a kind of a shocker when Parth Pawar submitted that letter, because Home Ministry, right, we can say right now NCP is in power. They have got the home portfolio, and in such scenario, when Mumbai police or the Maharashtra police is investigating the Sushant Singh Rajput case, it is kind of a shocker. The NCP leader, grandson of Sharad Pawar and son of Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, is submitting a letter for and demanding CBI inquiry into this. So certainly it was a shocker for not only for the NCP party but for entire Mahavikas Aghadi, because throughout, or we can say throughout these days or from day one, Mahavikas Aghadi is backing Mumbai police and Maharashtra police, and they have taken the line that there is no need to transfer this case to the CBI or to other agencies, because we have seen the turf war between the Maharashtra police and, or we can say Maharashtra government and Bihar government, or Maharashtra police versus Bihar police, where Bihar police intervened in this matter and they came here to investigate. Also, the matter is in Supreme Court. Today, all 3 parties, that is Reha Chakravarti, Maharashtra government and Bihar government and other concerning parties, are supposed to submit their plea, and after that Supreme Court is likely to give a judgment or likely to give order about this entire issue. But yes, Parth Pawar's this particular letter had come as a shocker for not only for NCP but also for Mahavikas Aghadi, because it was not expected from any NCP leader to demand such CBI probe basically in this entire matter. So certainly, as I said last evening also, there was some meeting happened at Silver Oak where Ajit Pawar was present, and Jayant Patil, who is a state party president, he was also present at Sharad Pawar's residence, but officially NCP has denied. So now it would be interesting to see that what happens to Parth Pawar. Will there be any action initiated against him by the party or not?